Hey, hashtag short, guys. I got all that off, and guys, let me show you where my that ticking noise y'all was hearing. It's gonna be likely on the end. Okay, now this one here is intact, so there's a chance. See, I got these screws out already, and you can see it's broken right there. So the broken stud was on the end. Let me see if I can go into here and get y'all a better picture. Yeah, you can see the stud missing. All right, there's no stud right there. So I'm gonna take the rest of this off and get my buddy over here with his welder machine. I guess the new trick is we are welding nuts onto it and screwing it out that way, guys. Seems to be working for my buddy. He's the only one with a welder machine, so I have no choice but to go get him. I might have to buy him lunch or something like that, but I'm cool with that, man. We are a team right here. So let me get the rest of this manifold off so I can set it up where he can come over here and do his thizzle. All right, that's all I have, man. Hashtag short.